Hi everybody, I got another video for you this week. Hopefully you're not getting too bored with me. Just got this in the mail. Actually, it showed up last week. Ordered a couple of items from Sarissa Precision, and these two are the 28mm Desert Fort, and it's their MDF series. And I just thought I'd show off a couple of pieces. So I'm going to use this primarily for my In Her Majesty's Name rule set. Thinking about different locales for those games with the villains and things like that. So I thought a little desert fort would be a good place to have a game. You can see it comes with a tower, corners, the gate, the wall colonnade, and then barracks. But what I thought I'd show you, so it's obviously still in the package and everything, right? But what I thought I'd show you is when I opened up the first one. So the last MDF kit that I built was from the museum, and for the life of me right now I can't think out who made it. But I had a hard time pulling the MDF pieces out of that kit. Look at that. This is just, I pick it up and the pieces are falling out. That's how well cut this thing is. I'm really impressed with that. Look at this. I picked this one up. Look at that. They're so well cut, they're falling out. That's the way it should be. I shouldn't have to struggle with pulling pieces apart. So I'm going to put this together, and I'll show you what this all looks like when I finally get it together. I'm going to put this aside real quick, if I can pick it up without it falling apart on me. But I want to show you what else I got from Sarissa Precision. Sorry, I can't think right now. So it's a guide to making and painting laser cut MDF model kits. So I thought my painting on the library was a little off. Could have been a little bit better. I saw that they had this book. They have this as a PDF, so you can go to their website and purchase it and download it, or you can get it as a hardbound, soft-cover book, right? But I was kind of flipping through some of the preview stuff that they have on their website, and I liked it. I liked some of the stuff that they have. So just show you some of the photos that are in here. Show you the table of contents. So basics, right? Materials, different builds, all the materials that you'll need, right? How to paint planking, roofs, stonework, textures, how to damage the MDF or paint damage, brickwork, right? And these are all things that I think can definitely translate to other things too, right? Those of you who are into building terrain for your games and things like that, I think this is probably a good one. It's one for all those Western buildings I bought. A little background, cups of coffee. So yeah, what the actual laser cutting is, in case you haven't actually seen one. Basics of painting and assembly, and just what to do. Yeah. So kind of hoping I can texture this up really well. There's lots of really good information in this book. I think it's just well worth it just if you're building terrain. I think, you know, timber, you know, how to weather timber and things like that to make it look old. Some results of that. You know, shingles. Bombed out buildings. You know, if you want to do wallpaper. You know, you guys that are a little bit more into modern stuff or sci-fi or zombies, things like that. Yeah, there's quite a bit in here. So, just thought I'd show that off. Ooh, graffiti. How to do graffiti. Big murals on the side of the buildings. Yeah, that's some pretty cool stuff. Especially for you doing modern. Look at that. That scene looks really good. Anyway, so I just thought I'd show this off. And I'm going to put the fort together and show you guys how well that went together. Maybe I can do a little in-process video on how that's going. But yeah, there we have it. Hope you're all doing well. I'd like to thank my new subscribers who have shown up. Thank you very much. Thanks to all my long-term subscribers. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing here. This channel definitely does a little bit of everything, so I hope you find something of interest. And I hope you're all doing well. Have a great week, wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Well, I was going to do an in-process video for building this 28mm fort, but it went together so fast, I didn't have a chance. I am pleasantly happy. This is the first time I've put something together by Sarissa Precision, and this was a joy to put together. There were a couple of things that were a little confusing, but test fitting it and everything before gluing certainly helped. Some of the directions weren't quite explicit, but it went together pretty well, and I put it together in 2 hours. Probably, maybe even a little bit less than that, but essentially the length of one 9-inning baseball game that I was watching while I was doing this. So yeah, just about 2 hours worth of time to put this together. I certainly recommend this. It went, like I said, went together beautifully. Now I just have to decide how I'm going to paint it. It'll definitely end up being like a desert fort, you know, French Foreign Legion kind of thing. And yeah, I just have to decide how I'm going to do that. The nice thing about this is semi-modular. Okay, so these, so you see the edges here, they all go together. And I actually like this a lot more than I like the museum that I did not too long ago, because when you put this together, you can see, you know, it kind of, everything just fits snugly together. The museum doesn't, because of all the flat edges and everything. They shift a lot. This seems to stay together. I can speak honest. I'm gonna do a quick little flyover here with my tripod so you can see some of the other stuff. So true quarters, both sides with the stairs going up. On that side, you know, some more alcoves. We've got the tower. And all of that is put in there. The firing step. The gate actually works. See if I can get this down far enough for the gate. Yeah, you should be able to see that. There you go. The gate doors actually work. And yeah, there it is. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, comment it, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.